I'm sure you've heard the news. Your stomach's a rock star when it comes to making noise. So picture this, you're in a super quiet room and suddenly, grrr! Your stomach's growling louder than a lion. But why? Enter our stomach character. He's got eyes, a mouth, and he's yelling, "Hello, where's the food? I'm empty in here." Here's the scoop. When your stomach's empty, its muscles start contracting. It's called the fancy, right? Those contractions, they're mixing air and digestive juices inside, creating that rumbling roar. It's like a mini earthquake in your belly. Then our stomach hears a fridge opening. Finally, he cheers. Time to eat. So, next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your gut doing its job. Follow for more science facts with personality.